Hey guys, my name is Uday Kadali. As we know, we can earn money through online. So I'll explain what are the ways we can earn money online. This is very simple. I mean, simple way in the sense I'm explaining for the basic level, for the beginners. I'm not speaking about advanced level of earning money online. So uh, I think this video will really helpful for the beginners. So first thing is Google Adsense. So as we know, what is Google Adsense? Google Adsense is the product of Google. So Google will display ads on your website. So if someone is coming and clicking on the ad, Google will pay commission for that. So the more traffic you get, the more clicks you get. So the more clicks we get, the more income you can. So that's one of the way. And second thing is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is like you are selling someone's product. For example, I have a product, so you are promoting my product, and and you got a sale for that. So for that you are getting commission from me. So for, let's say if it like some 2000 rupees, probably I'll pay you from 500 rupees. So that's the kind of commission level. It depends. For example, for Amazon the commission levels would be different, for Walmart would be different, for the Flipkart would be different. And apart from these products we have softwares also. So selling softwares also, like WordPress themes, softwares, SEO tools. So there are different ways you can earn money online. So first thing is choose your niche, what you are interested in, what you are perfect at. More than perfect, first thing is find your interest. Because definitely, at the starting stage no one is very perfect at anything. So make sure you are interested in one niche, then choose that niche. If you want to sell a software, fix to that. If you want to sell the products, fix to that. Yeah, because recently we had a slash of commission of by the Amazon. So it has dropped the commissions, okay, so from almost like 50-60 percentage. So probably you can choose alternatives like Walmart, we have eBay, we have Best Buy, and we have Target. So there are a number of ways we can sell the products. Okay, so this is not for service charge, this is not for software. I'm just speaking about Amazon products. And third one is uh, freelancing. Now you're exporting, getting AdSense, you're exporting affiliate marketing. So in these two things, the common thing is getting the traffic. So if you're exporting, getting the traffic, like especially like organic traffic, so start doing freelancing. So there are number of business owners and retailers, they are in need of freelancing. So we can help them, we can charge them on monthly basis. And also probably you can help them how to earn the income for them as well, as through this kind of affiliate and AdSense. And fourth one is consulting. So what is consulting? So consulting is, I can say, like this is the next level of freelancing. Because for consulting you charge hourly base. You're not working for the person or working for the any required person. You're just helping them. So you're giving advice, you are advising them. So like in consulting is the next level of I mean, for the consulting you should be very expert in doing that. And the final step is podcast. I think podcast in India, like still we are in booming at to we need to reach a point where podcast is super utilized. Still we are not utilizing podcast. So because in countries like US, podcast is like super crazy. Because if you own podcast, and if you're getting decent traffic, good traffic at least for the podcast, uh, people business owners, retailers, or any advertisers, they'll come and they'll ask you can you please promote my product, promote my brand on your podcast. So they'll charge. So you can charge for for 30 days, not 60 days or 90 days. So that's all. It depends on your duration, what are you choose. So literally they charge like $3,000, $5,000 for 90 days. That's how they earn income from podcast. So I hope these five ways of earning income make you some sense, and they are next level of earning income, like you can be influencer, you can be speaker, you can be brand promoter. So there like many ways you can earn, but these are basics. So and above all this, the most common thing is content. The more content you put it out, I mean content in the sense valuable, and it should be informative content to the user. So because the more content you put out, the more personal branding you gain. The more personal branding you gain, the more reputation you gain. So reputation in the sense, it's like trust factor, because trust factor is very important in personal branding, because the trust factor, users are people, customers, they tend to buy your product, they believe what are you are saying. So all the best guys, I hope this video has given some value. Thank you, bye.